Let's watch this video first.
World Cup viewers quite furious. Imagine paying rupees 799 to watch the FIFA World Cup and then finding out you can stream it on just one device. That's exactly why Z5 is facing a massive backlash. Fans who bought the FIFA World Cup package claimed they were promised multiple device access, but many later noticed that the plan showed access to only one single device. Social media erupted. Users accused Z5 of changing the rules after people had already paid. The outrage grew so quickly that Z5 had to respond immediately. Soon after, the platform clarified that existing World Cup subscribers would continue getting the multi-device access they were originally promised. But the criticism, it did not stop there. Fans also questioned the rupees 799 price tag, the need for a separate FIFA subscription, and reported technical glitches during the opening matches.
Indian football fans have stayed up all night for the FIFA 2026 World Cup. But instead, what they're getting? They're getting buffering issues, login issues, server outage, and lot of frustration. So in this video, we will understand what is happening with Z5 streaming and how FIFA had struggled with the broadcasting business in India and China. And in the second part of the video, we will discuss how Cristiano Ronaldo has entered into the biggest power game of the football history, but not on the pitch, in the broadcasting side against none other than FIFA. And he is currently giving FIFA 2026 World Cup for free for the Brazilian folks, and how it is concerning FIFA. We will discuss that in the second part, but let's do a deep dive, guys. The millions of football fans in India has faced or has experienced in the opening night. Constant buffering, streams froze repeatedly. Like your audio is coming first but not your video. The video is always late than the audio. Then server outages, temporary crashes around the kickoff rendered, and app crashes. Many of the app users have reported this, that app is shutting down entirely during the crucial moments. I mean, absolutely many times you have to relog in on the Z5 app. But here is what it is more frustrating. Z5 had promised, like before the World Cup, they have promised 4K resolution streaming for 3 devices. Later, they have downgraded it to one user, and 4K streaming, forget that. They have just ensured full HD. Many of the cases like maximum 180p that you are getting. So that is where the football broadcasting or the entire sports broadcasting is going. That is what I feel like I need to bring this to you. I need to break this to you. Cristiano Ronaldo had invested in Brazilian sports media company called LiveMode, and it is partnered with Chris TV. And in 2026, they are actually broadcasting all the 104 matches for free in Brazil, of course, in Brazil. So Cristiano Ronaldo as a person, I mean, he knows broadcasting pretty much. He knows that where FIFA had been struggling. The reason I'll tell you that the negotiation in India took almost like 3 to 4 weeks. And the initial price quoted for India was 110 million. So the final price that Z5 had paid is between 30 to 35 million. And it happened in China also. In FIFA had to give like 80%. They have to drop their price 80%. Initial quote was 250 million approx. And the final price was around 60 to 70 million. So as per the news is coming, Cristiano Ronaldo has invested an undisclosed amount and get a substantial stake in LiveMode. The LiveMode Chris TV is currently broadcasting in 4K resolution, and it is currently geo-blocked in Brazil only. That means Indian viewers cannot watch it for free, cannot watch it over YouTube. But Cristiano Ronaldo understands broadcasting business. He understands it pretty well because he had invested in other broadcasting companies also long back. He understands the pain or the current struggle that FIFA had gone through. And let's discuss technologically what is happening. YouTube infrastructure is far better than that of Z5, Hotstar or Sony Live. YouTube global CDN servers delivering content up to 100 Mbps to almost 4K. Their encoding technology is world class. They are using AV1 for efficient streaming. They are using codecs like VP9. So the technology is far superior than any of the apps. Their bandwidth is I mean, undoubtedly much better. And the monetization, instead of traditional TVs, Trace TV has used integrated sponsors, ad revenues as super chat for fun interactions. So it is revolutionary, guys. Craze TV had already, Craze TV has already streamed 22 matches for free to the Brazilian fans. I'm talking about the Qatar Football World Cup. That was a kind of a demo, but this time they made it absolutely free, but for the Brazilian fans. And I'm pretty sure, guys, they are going to replicate the same model in India and in China. So this FIFA rights, the FIFA subscription is not going to be there in the next World Cup. That is ensured, guys. This model understand two very important things, that the young guys, the Gen Z's fans, they don't want to pay any hefty subscription in any of the app. They need everything for free. They need anything as a shareable content. Ronaldo understand it. The Craze TV understood this problem. Ronaldo understood this problem. Ronaldo understands the attention and digital audience far better than anyone else. He has 341 million followers over social media. He understands that this FIFA World Cup does not belong to television broadcasting anymore. It belongs to creator-led coverage. It belongs to free streaming. And that is what he has invested in the broadcasting business. So in the history, we had seen Michael Jordan had changed the athlete business. LeBron James had changed the media business. And none other than CR7 is going to own the digital streaming business for the FIFA in the upcoming World Cups. If you know this, if you find this interesting, please comment below. If you are a CR7 fan, if you want to see football for free in the next World Cup, guys, please comment below and do subscribe India Learns AI for more such crazy AI news, football news. Stay tuned to India Learns AI.